Hello! In this video, I'm gonna unbox this nice smoke and carbon monoxide alarm by Xsense, the SC01. Disclosure, this was sent to me by Xsense to try it and to make an honest and unbiased review. So from now on, everything you will see and listen will be my own opinion. So let's see how it looks. This is how the box looks. Okay, the device, it's nice. It looks nice. Okay, you have here two certifications. And what you will have here, it detects both smoke and carbon monoxide levels with the surrounding air, high performance photoelectric smoke sensor and electrochemical CO sensor for high sensitivity, accuracy, and reliability. Extra loud buzzer with over 85 decibels, volume for clearly audible alarming, and manufactured with accordance with the EN 14604 and EN 50291 one standards, real-time display of the accurate CO concentration on the LCD, high capacity sealed lithium battery for 10 years of reliable operation. So this is something that I want to highlight about this detector, is that you can't change the battery. Okay, it lasts 10 years. After 10 years, you need to replace the whole device. So let's see. You have here more indications about how to operate. So let's take it out of the box. There you go. So this is how the device looks. There you go. You have here some more instructions, also contact us if you want to talk with them. Here you have a switcher to turn it on, off, on. If you want to deactivate, you need to use a screwdriver here, and then turn it, put it up. Okay, and here you have nice information. Once you put here the device, you can't turn it off anymore. You have also here screws. You have a thank you card with more information which are useful. So it has a 5 years warranty, which is nice too. And here we have the user manual. I think we will get, let me just check. So we have here English, Deutsch, Français, Español, Italiano. So you can see everything you need to know about it. Okay, so you put this in a wall or on the ceiling, and then you fix this, you groove this heat there, and there you go. So let's see, you have here protection. So let's turn it on. Okay, I think I need, yes, I need to put this on here. There you go. And so it's testing. I think you can see the lights switching. Okay, so here now you have the indicators. the level of CO, it's 0, and also we have here the battery indicator. Let's test this. Okay. It's loud, as you can tell. So, okay. So there you go. Test was made. We have an idea about how loud the sound is. Let me turn this off again. Okay, I don't think we can turn this off. So now it's on. Okay, and I'm gonna fix this somewhere in my house. So this was the showcase unboxing of this carbon monoxide and smoke alarm by XSense, the SC01. Thank you so much for watching. See you later. Bye bye.